Selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Jennifer. Nombor matrik saya ialah 03DT19F1028. Saya menggunakan Google Sites untuk membuat website ini. Tajuk untuk website ini ialah Network Troubleshooting. Definition: troubleshooting is the process of identifying, locating and correcting problems that occur. Experienced individuals often rely on instinct to troubleshoot. However, there are structured techniques that can be used to determine the most probable cause and solution. Troubleshooting methodology. Steps for troubleshooting network problems: identify symptoms and potential cause, identify affected area, establish what has changed, select most probable cause, verify user competency, recreate problem, verify physical integrity of network connection, verify logical integrity of network connection, implement an action plan and solution and be prepared for all potential effects. Test the result, identify results and effect of solution, document solution and process. Identify symptoms and potential causes. It is a process to identify non-obvious symptoms. The process is to establish exactly what the symptoms of the problem are. The troubleshooting process is all about information gathering. To get this information, we need to acknowledge knowledge of the operating system, use good communication skills and a little patience. It is very important to get as much information as possible about the problem. Identify affected area. Some computer problems are isolated to a single user in a single location. Others affect several thousand users spanning multiple locations. It will often dictate the strategy you use in resolving the problem. The troubleshooting process for problems that are isolated to a single user will often begin and end that user's workstation. Understanding who is affected by a problem can provide you with the first clues about where the problem exists. Establish what has changed. Whether there is a problem with a workstation access to a database or an entire network, keep in mind that they were working at some point. It involves newly installed application, applied patches or updates, new hardware, a physical move of the computer, or new username and password. Establish any recent changes to a system will often lead you in the right direction to isolate and troubleshoot a problem. Select most probable cause. The probable cause can be determined by verify user competency, recreate problem, verify physical integrity of network connection, verify logical integrity of network connection, implement an action plan and solution and be prepared for all potential effects. Planning is a very important part of the whole troubleshooting process and can involve formal or informal written procedure. With a plan in place, it should be ready to implement a solution, that is, apply the patch, replace the hardware, plug in a cable, or implement some other solution. In an ideal world, the first solution would fix the fix the problem, although unfortunately this is not always the case. If the first solution does not fix the problem, it will need to retrace the steps and start again. It is important that to attempt only one solution at a time. Trying a several solution at once can make it very unclear which one actually corrected the problem. Test the result. After the correcting changes has been made, it is necessary to test the result. Never assume this is when to find out if they were right and the remedy that apply actually work. The testing process is not always as easy as it sounds. If to testing a connectivity problem, it is not difficult to ascertain where your solution was successful. It might be necessary to have people who are familiar with the database or application run the test with the in attendance. Identify result and effects of solution. Sometimes it will apply fix that corrects one problem but creates another problem. It is difficult to always know that how the changes that made to a network are going to affect the network function. Document solution and process. Although it is often neglected in troubleshooting process, document a solution involves keeping a record of all the steps taken during the fix, not necessarily just the solution. Always record symptoms and causes of a problem and solution because it is impossible to remember circumstances of each incident and the networking fund personal frequent changes jobs. Thank you.